Welcome back to Hangar Garage, where I am unreasonably excited. And that's because it is test drive time, and not just any test drive time. This is my Autozam scrum that I have been working on and off for 2 years, and I'm out of breath because it doesn't have reverse gear because it's motorcycle engine. So I had to push all the way out of the driveway and push it back in. But this is a 2001 Ninja 1100cc motorcycle engine, carbureted obviously, and it is crammed, well not really crammed, there's a lot of space back here, in the back of my 1991 Autozam scrum. If you may notice the door says Carry, that's because the door is from a Suzuki Carry because it got T-boned. But this is still far from being done, but I think it is to the point where I can test drive it. I have a shifter, I have a choke, I have a clutch, I have front brakes, I have some gas, and I have some not entirely done, but getting there done wiring. So here we go. I haven't synced the two ignitions yet, obviously. This is ignition for a 1986 Honda CRX, which is what I pulled this engine out of. It's a long story. Need two hands to do this, but I got the choke, and I got the key, clutch in. It's quite loud. Here goes nothing. The seat is not entirely bolted down, but it should do. So I'm not sure if the clutch has enough travel, so for, ooh! Okay. Oh my god. Go for second. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. The brakes really suck. That's sketchy. Oh, coming in hot to the corner. Well, it's touchy. Everything's touchy. Everything's still together. Neutral. Okay, there's neutral. Get out and make sure I'm not on fire, because that has happened before. Alright, everything seems, where I put it, which is not perfect, but I think it should get me home. On the brakes. Okay, that needs to be addressed rather soon. But it runs and drives. That is insane. I'm over the moon right now. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna call it for the first ever test drive. I don't know where my okay, there's my ignition. That was a rush. That was long awaited and very enjoyed. But there's still a lot of work left to be done. First off, it's leaking fuel pretty badly out of the bottom of the fuel tank. And I still need to finish up the wiring because it's looking very rough. And it needs the brakes addressed. The right front caliper is not calipering, so I need to replace that. Speaking of things that need to be replaced, the left front strut is bent because this thing got in a wreck. That's why it is cheap enough to do this to it. And the interior is not looking great. I need to finish that up too. And I'm sure I'll find a lot more things to finish up along the way. But until next time, this has been something or other with cars.